So, if you're looking for a way to fix your Honeywell TrueZone panel lights if it's blinking on and off, well, there are a few things that you could actually do here. Now, first things first is you need to understand that blinking usually means the panel is waiting or may be stuck. So, when a TrueZone panel blinks on and off, it usually is not broken. It's often stuck in a delay, purge, or protection cycle, waiting for a safe condition before turning the system on. Now, this happens a lot after power loss or thermostat changes. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to give the system a few minutes before touching anything here. Now, True Zone panels intentionally delay operation to protect the compressor or furnace. Now, wait for about like 3 to 5 minutes here and watch the LEDs. Now, if they stabilize, the blinking was normal behavior, or in this case, is alright. Now, if one of the zone is calling for cooling while the other is calling for heating, well, the panel can blink as it tries to resolve the conflict. Now, you want to set all the thermostats to off. Wait a minute, then turn on only one zone and see how the panel reacts. Now, also, you may want to closely look at the damper LEDs and zone indicators. Now, a true zone panel damper lights tell you what's happening behind the scenes. Now, if a zone keeps flashing and the dampers may be stuck, miswired, or not reaching the end position, which causes the board to cause the blinking. Now, you want to look closely at you want to go and just power cycle the panel the correct way. So this is the step that fixes most of the issues most often. So turn off the power to the HVAC system at the breaker, not just the thermostat here. Wait for about 60 seconds, then restore power. Now this fully resets the true zone logic and clears stuck states. Now also you want to check the transformer and low voltage wiring here. Now, blinking on and off often happens if the panel isn't getting steady 24-volt power. So loose R and C wires, weak transformers, or overloaded dampers can cause voltage drops and makes the panel restart repeatedly. Now, close up the HVAC control board wiring with R and C labeled. Now, if the blinking continues, a damper, motor, or panel board is likely failing here. So basically, if the lights keep cycling even after the reset and wiring looks good, the most common causes are failed zone damper motor or weak transformer or failing true zone control board. Now, at this stage, testing the voltage and damper movement is needed, which is best handled by an HVAC technician. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.